I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the Chrome banana and verifying loadout. This gives you the core tool for Tsunami rooms. Once done, inspect the ammo setting. Use electric peel for stun and area damage because it chains to nearby targets. Make sure to toggle perks that improve throw speed and stun chance, since those modifiers change how you time throws. You should be ready to enter the first wave immediately. Pick a safe vantage and prepare to prime the banana before the Tsunami crest arrives. You now focus on priming and aiming for maximum effect. Hold the throw to charge radius and detonation delay, which gives you control over timing. Once charged, aim ahead of targets because the Tsunami current shifts enemies, predicting that motion increases hit rate. Make sure to use wall bounces to curve the banana into tight clusters. This extends chain reach and creates multi-stun opportunities. If multiple targets cluster, release slightly earlier to let the tide carry them into the blast for chain damage. You finish engagements by synchronizing the final toss with the Tsunami peak. Detonate as the wave recedes to maximize knockback and crowd control. If you miss or a throw misfires, quickly swap to a normal peel and then re-equip the Chrome banana to clear the charge bug. This reset often fixes stuck timers. Make sure to watch cooldowns and keep roughly 30% battery in reserve for an emergency throw or combo follow-up. Practice the timing until you reliably control groups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.